Would you like to get $10 every 10 minutes using a mobile app? This app is the new way to make money on your phone. You can do it in your spare time and from anywhere. This is the most lucrative way to make money online by just investing 10 minutes of your time. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money right now with this free app. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I have a new video on how to make money online. I am always sharing new, amazing and effective methods, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below and tell me from which country you are watching this video so I can create specific videos for your region. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions or concerns regarding the video, please leave a comment below. I would like also to tell you this won't work for you until you watch the whole video, so keep watching the entire video. At the end of this video, I will give you an amazing tool to earn money quickly, so watch till the end. Now let's get back to the video. There are a lot of apps out there that can help you make money on the side. But not all of them are worth your time. That's why I've put one of the best apps for making money. You might have heard about the app called UserFeel that lets you earn money by testing on websites. The app has been around for a while and has helped many people make some extra cash. When it comes to online surveys, there's no better choice than UserFeel.com, which guarantees $10 for each test and claims that each test only takes 10 to 20 minutes. Also, it supports 40 languages. What is UserFeel? It's a usability testing tool that pays you to record your ideas and interactions with a client's website or app. UserFeel was formed in 2010 by a team of experts in website optimization, analytics, and web design from the United Kingdom and Greece. How to become a tester? All you need to get started is an email address and a PayPal or Payoneer account. Signing up is completely free. In addition, you'll have to explain why you're qualified to work as a software tester. Download the screen recorder app and perform a qualifying exam before you may join. Before taking the exam, read the instructions carefully, since they provide advice on how to improve your score. It's important to create a solid first impression, since your score will influence how frequently you'll be tested. After you've been approved, you should keep an eye out for fresh chances and apply as soon as feasible. This is due to the fact that exams are offered on a first-come, first-served basis. You'll get paid $10 for each test you take. Compared to other methods to earn money online, I believe this is a very high rate of compensation for the amount of time it takes to finish each exam. Here also you can find reviews for UserFeel. You can see the rate is 4.9, which is extremely high. In my opinion, UserFeel is a wonderful survey site since it is pay high rates and there is no minimum cash out requirement. PayPal or Payoneer are used to handle payments 1 week following the exam. Start using this awesome money-making app today. Now, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get all my new videos on how to earn money online.